Have you ever gazed upon the night sky and pondered the mysteries of the universe? Our cosmos is a vast, wondrous expanse, a celestial tapestry woven with billions of galaxies. Each one is a majestic swirl of stars, gas, and dust, suspended in the infinite canvas of time and space. These galaxies are the universe's grandest structures, their sheer scale and beauty captivating the human imagination for millennia. They are cosmic cities, teeming with celestial life and brimming with secrets waiting to be discovered. Our quest for knowledge pushes us to explore these distant galaxies, seeking answers to questions that have puzzled us since the dawn of civilization. What are they made of? How did they form? Are we alone? As we delve into these mysteries, we are drawn to one galaxy that holds a particular fascination for us. Among the millions of galaxies, one stands out as our closest neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy. The Andromeda Galaxy, also known as NGC 224 or M31, is a Type SB spiral galaxy located in the constellation Andromeda. The Andromeda Galaxy is our nearest spiral galaxy neighbor, a mere 2.5 to 2.9 million light-years away. Now I know what you're thinking. A mere million light-years? Yes. In the grand scheme of the universe, that's practically next door. This cosmic giant is a Type SB spiral galaxy. Spiral galaxies, like our very own Milky Way, are characterized by their flat rotating disks filled with stars, gas, and dust, with a central bulge composed of older stars. The B in SB refers to the galaxy's well-defined spiral arms and larger central bulge. The Andromeda Galaxy is found nestled within the constellation that shares its name, Andromeda. This constellation is named after the mythological princess Andromeda, and is one of the 48 constellations listed by the 2nd century astronomer Ptolemy. If you're star-gazing on a clear, dark night, you might just be able to spot this celestial wonder. In terms of size, Andromeda is truly a titan amongst galaxies. With a visible diameter of 165,000 to 200,000 light-years, it easily dwarfs the Milky Way, standing at 1.5 to 2 times our galaxy's size. This makes Andromeda the most sizable member of the local group, a cluster of galaxies that includes the Milky Way among others. However, don't expect to see this giant in its full glory with the naked eye. Despite its vastness, only the bright central core of the Andromeda Galaxy is visible without a telescope. This core, a dazzling cluster of older stars, gives the illusion that Andromeda is smaller than it truly is. Despite its size, only the bright core of Andromeda is visible to the naked eye, hiding its true grandeur. The journey of Andromeda through time is as fascinating as its physical features. Imagine a timeline that stretches back millions, even billions of years. At one end, we have the formation of the Andromeda Galaxy. Born from an ancient cosmic dance of gas, dust, and dark matter, this spiral galaxy took shape in the vast expanse of the universe. It's a story written in the language of celestial mechanics and cosmic evolution, one that took place over an incomprehensible span of time. Andromeda's journey didn't stop there. As it swirled and spun in the cosmic ballet, it became part of the local cluster of galaxies, with our own Milky Way as one of its closest neighbors. The relationship between these two galaxies is not just one of proximity, but also destiny. Measurements suggest that Andromeda is on a collision course with the Milky Way, moving towards us at a radial velocity of about 120 kilometers per second. Now, before you start packing your cosmic suitcase, it's worth noting that this collision isn't expected for another 3 billion years or so, but when it does happen, it's going to be quite the astronomical event. The majestic spirals of Andromeda and the Milky Way will intertwine and interact in a grand dance of gravity, leading to a dramatic reshuffling of stars, gas, and dust. The outcome? Well, it's likely that the two galaxies will eventually merge into a single, larger galaxy. Most likely this new formation will be an elliptical galaxy, a common type of galaxy seen throughout the universe. This merger represents a significant milestone in the life story of both galaxies, marking the end of their individual journeys and the beginning of a new shared chapter. In about 3 billion years, Andromeda and the Milky Way are predicted to merge into a large elliptical galaxy, a cosmic event of unimaginable scale. Andromeda isn't alone in its celestial journey. It's accompanied by about 10 satellite galaxies. The term satellite galaxies refers to smaller galaxies that orbit around larger ones, much like the way our moon orbits around Earth. In the case of Andromeda, these satellites include a unique pair known as M32 and M110. These two have been observed for quite some time now and have offered us some fascinating insights into the dynamics of our cosmic neighborhood. M32 in particular is quite the character. This dwarf elliptical galaxy is believed to have had what we might call a close encounter with Andromeda. Now, when galaxies have close encounters, it's not like two ships passing in the night. These events can have profound effects on the structure and composition of the galaxies involved. In the case of M32 and Andromeda, this close contact is believed to have stirred up Andromeda's spiral structure, adding a bit of chaos to its otherwise orderly pattern. But M32 didn't come out of this encounter unscathed. It's thought to have lost a significant chunk of its own star stock in the process. Then there's M110, another of Andromeda's companions. This dwarf elliptical galaxy, while not as disruptive as M32, still plays a crucial role in our understanding of Andromeda and its satellite system. What's particularly intriguing about these satellite galaxies is the way they interact with their host. They're not just passive travelers hitching a ride on Andromeda's gravitational pull. They interact, they disrupt, and in doing so, they help shape the evolution of Andromeda itself. But that's just a snapshot of Andromeda's extensive family. There are other satellites, each with their own stories to tell. They serve as a stark reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our universe. In the history of human observation, only once has a supernova been observed in the Andromeda Galaxy. This remarkable event took place in the late 19th century, in the year 1885 to be precise. It was a moment of cosmic significance, marking the first time that a supernova had been observed outside the confines of our own Milky Way galaxy. This supernova, a cosmic explosion of extraordinary magnitude, was a testament to the dynamic and ever-changing nature of the universe in which we reside. It offered a glimpse into the life cycle of stars, their birth, their existence, and their ultimate demise in a dazzling display of stellar fireworks. The 1885 supernova in Andromeda was not just an astronomical event, it was a pivotal moment in our understanding of the universe. It expanded our cosmic horizons and underscored the fact that the Milky Way is just one of countless galaxies in the grand cosmic tapestry. This single event, a blip in the grand timeline of the universe, serves as a reminder of the constant evolution and mystery of our celestial neighbors. The Andromeda Galaxy, our closest galactic neighbor, holds a universe of secrets waiting to be discovered. In our exploration of this celestial wonder, we've taken a journey 2.5 to 2.9 million light-years away from our own Milky Way. This magnificent spiral galaxy, also known as NGC 224 or M31, has captivated our imaginations with its faint visibility to the naked eye and its grand stature in the constellation Andromeda. Let's take a moment to reflect on its sheer size. With a visible diameter of 165,000 to 200,000 light-years, Andromeda outshines our Milky Way. It's 1.5 to 2 times larger, making it the largest galaxy in our local cluster. Its expanse in the night sky is 3 by 1 degrees, dwarfing the moon's half-degree size. Yet to our humble human eyes it appears smaller, as only its bright central core is visible without the aid of a telescope. We've also delved into Andromeda's chronological journey. It's been found to be on a collision course with our galaxy, with an estimated meeting time in about 3 billion years. The result? A probable merger into a large elliptical galaxy, a dance of cosmic proportions that continues as we speak. We've explored Andromeda's satellite galaxies, about 10 in number. The most notable of these are M32 and M110, both of which have had close contact with the main galaxy, causing disturbances in its spiral structure and altering their own star stock. And who can forget the historical supernova event of 1885? The first supernova observed outside of the Milky Way, a landmark moment in our understanding of the universe. As we continue to gaze upon the night sky and ponder the mysteries of the universe, Andromeda continues its journey, a silent companion in our quest for knowledge.